Hello everyone, we are here at Balay, Isabel, to celebrate my 64th birthday with my family. Hello San, I hope you enjoyed this moment today. Yobo! Bo! Yung naambo na, yung bag ko, saan na? Saan yung bag ko?
Wait lang. Wala mo bubukas.
Hello, sister! Okay.
Mama, bibigyan ka dito.
May isa anak! Yel! Okay. Oh. We are here at room 101. Okay?
Ama, buksan mo.
Ikaw na magbukas ito ko utusan mo.
Oo. Ma.
Okay, God bless everyone.
Mama, papatas ka lang.
Asan yung sapatos ko?
Ayoko.
Where's my shoes? Ay, akin na, patawak mo yan. Ay, akin na yung slipper ko. Yupo, akin na yung slipper ko.
Matagal,
Ay,
video ko muna yan bago nyo yan.
oh, hawakan mo to. Ibigay mo naman talaga.
Ama, video mo na. Dito.
Okay.
Yobo, huwag ka munang pumasok. Mag-picture lang. Ama, go.
Okay.
Sige, pasok.
Wait, this is our room 101. Very nice. This is the room. This is the room.
This is new.
Another room. The kitchen. The kitchen. And the CR. Oh. Very nice CR. Okay. Isa ng ilaw dito. Ang maliwanag. Okay.
Paano natin
Okay.
may tubig pa na sila eh.
Ay, sama mo ko sa video. Hurry up. Simula dito.
Eh, bakit hindi ko pa start ng bago?
Pag mong ano yun.
Okay, hold on.
Dito muna ako sa car.
Baguhin ko na, ma.